Hello friends, welcome back to another interesting episode of unboxing. Well, in this video I am going to do unboxing of an LCD display which I bought from online. It is quite cheaper compared to the shop where I have to change the screen, and this screen is actually for OnePlus One phone, so it's an older version of phone. The screen of the phone got cracked, so what I thought was to buy the screen from online and then try to fix the screen by myself. So I'll just do the quick unboxing to check how the screen looks like and how's the quality of the screen. So stay tuned. Okay friends, so now I have my unboxing knife and I am going to do unboxing of the LCD display. Let me just do a quick unboxing. At least the packaging is good. Okay, so in the box, thermocol box, I think this is the LCD display. Too much of bubble wrap. So I got wipes, 1, 2 dry. So I got 2 wipes in the box. One is wet and one is dry. Okay friends, so this is, I think, the LCD display. Too much of bubble wrapping, which is good. Look at that. Okay, looks good. So friends, I think this is the LCD display which came inside the packet, and there's all the connection. The packaging was good, it didn't break. I will also share the link in the description, so if anyone of using OnePlus One phone and want to change their screen, you can also check it out, this link, and order this screen. And also there I received one more packet inside the box which comes with the toolkit. That is nice. So I have this toolkit where I can use my own stuff to replace the screen. So in this, what I have in this. Okay. So I have a bunch of different screws. So friends, this is a complete DIY kit to replace the screen of your phone, and I pretty liked it because I actually ordered only the screen, and with screen I got all these things, so which is pretty good. So in terms of, let's say, only I thought I would take the screen and go to some market. The So friends, I thought I will take this screen and go to a service center where I can ask them to replace the screen on my behalf. Maybe I might not be that much technical. So, but this is good. I got a complete kit where I can use by myself, where I can replace the screen of the phone by myself. So it's a kind of a DIY activity. Maybe I'll make a video of that, and then I'm going to show you how to replace the screen of your phone. So friends, I'm going to give it a try how to replace the screen by myself, and I'll make the video and show it to you. Maybe next time I can make the video and share it with you guys. So friends, till now this much, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you on next time in another video. Till then, take care and keep rocking.